Hey everyone, in this video, I'm giving you a quick and honest review of the Higgsfield AI subscription, what it offers, how good it is, and whether it's worth your money. Let's dive right in. What is Higgsfield AI? Higgsfield AI is a subscription-based AI tool designed to help with things like content creation, writing assistance, brainstorming ideas, and productivity tasks. It's one of the newer AI platforms gaining attention in 2025-2026. Key features you get with subscription. Unlimited prompts. You can ask the AI as many questions or tasks as you need. Faster generation speeds. Responses come quicker compared to free tiers. Priority access to features. New tools and upgrades often arrive first for subscribers. Export and download options. Easily save outputs for use in your workflow. How it performs? Quick summary. Easy-to-use interface, great for beginners, fast responses, minimal delay, good quality for writing and brainstorming, helpful for creators, students, and professionals. Not perfect, sometimes outputs need editing, but that's normal with most AI tools. Subscription pricing, typical 2026 model. Monthly subscription, around X dollars a month. Annual plan, usually more affordable. Price may vary based on features included or ongoing promotions. Pros and cons. Pros are unlimited use, faster performance, priority updates. Cons, not always perfect for complex tasks, and subscription might be pricey for casual users. Who is it best for? Content creators, writers needing fast drafts, online business owners, students, and researchers. If you use AI daily, the subscription can save time and effort. Final verdict. Higgsfield AI subscription is worth it if you want reliable, fast AI help without major limitations. For casual users, the free option